In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up the YouTube app and you need to tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right and then select the settings gear up in the top right. From here, if you scroll through here, you're going to see like a video and audio preferences tab. Go ahead and select quality just like so. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select turn on Wi-Fi or look for this video quality on Wi-Fi section right here. If it's set to data saver, switch it to auto. And as you can see, data savers right here. I'll take it on real quick and then switch it back over to auto, just like so. This can help YouTube load videos better while connected to Wi-Fi. From here, check if the Wi-Fi itself is the problem. You can go ahead and swipe down from the top right to open up a page that looks like this. Turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. I usually recommend turning airplane mode on, keeping it on for 10 seconds, and then turning airplane mode back off and letting your phone reconnect to cell service and Wi-Fi just because that's like a hard reset. But if that's still not working, what you want to do is actually back out of YouTube itself, open up your settings and find general on here, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see iPhone storage, and then at the very bottom just search for YouTube, open it up, hit offload app, and then after that reinstall it, open it up again. And this will refresh the app and can fix bugs causing YouTube not to work on Wi-Fi. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.